alright.
Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I have quite a large haul for you guys. Now, all of this stuff wasn't purchased in one go. This is kind of like an ISO haul. This is what I bought while I was in isolation, stuck at home, and some of it I bought last week. So there's quite a lot here. Don't judge me. I will be doing a try on haul, so the clothes and stuff I will try on for you guys so you can see what they look like on. And I guess we should just get straight into it. Dish is my new favorite online boutique. I think they do have actual stores in Queensland. I ordered their stuff at like 1 o'clock in the afternoon and then it was at my door at 9 AM the next day, so their shipping was ridiculously fast. So I have this top, but it's just like a cropped long sleeve balloon sleeve kind of shirt, but I love it and I think it's so cute. It looks really cute with like a pair of jeans. So I am obsessed with this top and I just really love the sleeves. I love like the little balloon sleeves. And then the next top, all of this stuff is pretty much winter stuff as well. I have this jumper also from Dish. It's just fuzzy. It's got the same kind of balloon sleeve going on. This one isn't cropped. This one is full length. But it is so soft and it is so warm. And then I have another crop jumper. So this is pretty much the same as the one that I'm wearing, except it doesn't have the balloon kind of sleeve. It's like a normal sleeve and it's a light yellow kind of, and then it's cropped. Again, super cute with just like a pair of jeans or something. The last thing I bought from Dish is my favorite thing ever, and it is this bomber jacket. Again, it's cropped. I got a size 8. I was gonna get a size 6, but I'm glad I got a size 8 because a size 6 definitely would have been a little bit too short. It has like the drawstrings here that you can pull to tighten around the back. Has a zip and button. Okay, so that is everything from Dish. I'm gonna move on to Pretty Little Thing. So the first thing I got is this jumper. I thought that this was a set. I swear I ordered a set, but then I looked at my packing slip and it was just the jumper, but I ordered it because I thought that it was a set because I was looking for loungewear sets, but it just was the jumper on its own, which I still like anyway. So it's just like a light mustard color, and then it has the Pretty Little Thing on the waistband. And this again is just really comfy, and I ordered this stuff just to wear while I was lounging around the house because I didn't have any loungewear to lounge in. And I also struggled to find comfy loungewear because during isolation that's what everyone was buying, so a lot of it was sold out. So from Pretty Little Thing, this is, I got a size small, so it's just this t-shirt, and it's like a super stretchy material, and then it came with matching pants. The pants I do really like. They are a little bit see-through. You can definitely see what color undies I'm wearing, so I wouldn't wear this out. This is definitely just like an at-home lounging around outfit. Okay, moving on to Showpo. So from Showpo I ordered my eye on this cardigan for a while. It kind of reminds me of like a grandpa cardigan, but I think it's really cute. So this is what it looks like. You'll be able to see it better when I insert the try on clip. But it's got these like little buttons on it, 2 big buttons, and it's just really like, this is a small, but it's really just like big and baggy and comfy. Okay, so the last thing from Showpo, I only got 2 things. I bought this bag. I have a few bags from this brand, which I didn't realize until after I bought it that I have 2 other bags that are from the same brand. I think it's Peter and Jane, but it's just like this. Again, I feel like this is a bit of a grandma bag, but I also feel like it's a little bit on trend right now. The leather is really, really soft as well, but I think it's so cute. And it actually fits quite a lot in it. It just opens up like that, and there's quite a lot of room in there. I can fit like my sunglasses, a little card wallet, some lip gloss, my phone fits in there too. These are both from the Glue store, different brands. This top is from Lulu and Rose. This is a size small. I posted a photo on my Instagram of me wearing it while eating a banana, because I was having a banana as a snack, and then I looked at myself in the mirror and realized that I matched my banana, so I took a photo. It just has the 2 little ties. I feel like this is very on trend at the moment as well. It's very like early 2000s, which I feel like trends in the early 2000s are slowly making a comeback, and this type of shirt is definitely one of them. Same with this handbag actually. I feel like that would be something that's also worn in like the early 2000s. But I love the yellow. I don't have anything in this color. And then I also got these jeans. I've been needing a new pair of jeans for a while, because the jeans that I have, I've had for years. And I definitely need to upgrade my jeans, because they're all like really stretched out and old and faded. So I picked these up, also from Glue. These are actually called the Amy Mum jeans. And that's kind of what made me try them on, is the fact that they were called the Amy Mum jeans, and my name's Amy, so I wanted to try them on. But I got a size, this is a size 7/25. I don't know what that means. It is Articles of Society. And this stuff is all from Mimco. Went a little bit crazy in Mimco. So these I bought actually quite a while ago. These are some Mimco sunglasses. So they're just like a dark tortoiseshell, but I feel like they look really cool on. They just look, I don't know. I can't remember the name of them. I think it's like Zali or Zaylee. I think it says on Zaylee on the inside. So yeah, love some Mimco sunglasses. And then I bought this from Mimco as well. It's this beautiful scarf. So I've been wearing it in my hair and on my handbag. So when it's folded out, this is what it looks like. I think this is just the most beautiful print ever. I'm not usually the biggest fan of Mimco scarves, to be honest with you. I feel like a lot of the patterns and stuff that they do just aren't really my style. A lot of them are really beautiful, they're just not my style. But this one, absolutely obsessed with. I feel like it looks so like Versace. I don't know, just with like the golds and then the floral and the chains and everything. The only downside to wearing it like this is that you can't really see the floral in the middle, which is like my favorite part. So I just kind of roll it up like this, and then you can tie it around your neck if you like that vibe. Just tie it like that, or I have been wearing it in my hair just like this. And I think that just looks really cute. It's not in properly, but I just think that looks really cute. And I've also been tying it just like on the strap of my handbag. And then I also got a new phone case because I didn't have a flip case for my phone. I've had this phone for quite a while now, and I've only had hard cases up until now. I had a bunch of flip cases for my old phone, but none for this one, so I thought that it was time to pick up a flip case for my 11. So it's just the rose gold and then the black, and the leather is really, really beautiful and soft. So that's my new phone case. And then the last things that I have to show you guys are these 3 pouches that I bought. I'm obsessed with Mimco pouches. I have a gazillion. This one I bought first. This one was full price. So it's just a beautiful burnt orange color. I'm obsessed with this color and I really wish that they did more in this color. They only did this and they did their Daydream hip bag, I think, in this color. It's called Burnt Sienna, but I really wish they did like, I don't know, a little wallet or a different kind of hip bag or something in this color, because I think it's just so cute. Color, these sunglasses and this scarf, I feel like that's just like such a vibe. Look at that. And then the last two pouches, these were on sale. Just literally plain black and pancake pouch. They've had these pouches for as long as I can remember. So I was really excited to see that they went on sale, because full price they're like $99, but I got both of these for under that. So just the black and rose gold and the pancake and rose gold, and I feel like you can never have too many pouches. So that is all that I have to share with you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out my Instagram. I'll have my username here and I will have it linked down below as well, so you can go and check out my Instagram and give me a little follow if you like what you see. Let me know down in the comments if you did a lot of shopping during isolation as well. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye.